Are you living, or just existing? Most people spend their entire lives trapped in a comfort zone, safe, predictable, ordinary. But here's the brutal truth: comfort zones don't keep you safe, they keep you small. And today, I'm going to tell you why you must destroy your comfort zone if you truly want to live a powerful life. Not tomorrow, not someday, but today. Think about this for a moment. Every single person you admire, be it Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Nelson Mandela, Muhammad Ali, Swami Vivekanand, or APJ Abdul Kalam, they all had one thing in common: they refused to stay comfortable. Comfort is the enemy of growth. As Thomas Jefferson once said, if you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. And in this video, I'm going to take you through stories, lessons, and truths that will ignite a fire in you, so powerful that you'll never look at your comfort zone the same way again. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is a comfort zone? It's that invisible bubble where everything feels safe. Same routine, same habits, same people, same outcomes. You wake up, you scroll your phone, you go to class or work, you come back, you eat, you sleep, repeat. Nothing dangerous happens, nothing scary happens, but also, nothing life-changing happens. Here's the hidden danger: comfort feels good today, but it silently destroys your tomorrow. Jim Rohn once said, your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. And change happens only outside the comfort zone. Let me give you a real story. Do you know how the eagle teaches its young ones to fly? The mother eagle actually makes the nest so uncomfortable with thorns and sticks that the eaglets have no choice but to jump out. And that's when they discover they were born to fly. Now tell me, my friend, are you sitting in your soft nest, afraid to jump? You see, the problem with the comfort zone is this: it doesn't hurt today, but it kills you slowly. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. But when you are too comfortable, you stop dreaming. You stop fighting. You stop becoming the person you are meant to be. Let me share the story of Muhammad Ali. When Ali was training, he said, I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Think about that. The greatest boxer of all time hated training. But he chose pain over comfort. And that pain created a legend. Comfort is easy, but easy never made anyone legendary. Let's dive into the lives of some of the most powerful people in history. Steve Jobs once told everyone where Jobs was fired from Apple, the very company he founded. Most people would have quit. But Jobs used that discomfort to reinvent himself. He built Pixar, Next, and later came back to Apple to create the iPhone, iPod, and iPad, changing the world forever. He once said, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Nelson Mandela is in prison for 27 years. 27 years. He could have stayed silent. He could have chosen comfort. But Mandela chose suffering, because he believed in freedom. When he came out, he didn't just walk out as a free man, he walked out as the future president of South Africa. Mandela said, I never lose. I either win or learn. Do you think it was comfortable for Elon Musk to put his entire fortune into SpaceX and Tesla, almost going bankrupt? He said, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Comfort would have kept him rich. Discomfort made him a visionary. Swami Vivekanand left his family, walked across India barefoot, faced hunger, rejection, and mockery, yet he never gave up. In 1893, when he gave his speech in Chicago starting with, Sisters and Brothers of America, the entire hall erupted in applause. Vivekanand said, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. What do all these stories have in common? They destroyed comfort to create greatness. Now, let's break it down scientifically. Why is it so hard to step out of your comfort zone? Because your brain is wired to protect you from risk. It loves familiarity, but growth lives in the zone of discomfort, not in the zone of safety. There's a powerful quote by Tony Robbins, all growth starts at the end of your comfort zone. Think about it. The first time you spoke in public, you were scared. The first time you went to the gym, your body hurt. The first time you learned coding, speaking, business, or any new skill, you struggled. But later, it became easy. Discomfort becomes strength. Arnold Schwarzenegger once said, "Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths." This is the truth. The more discomfort you embrace, the more powerful you become. Now let's talk action. You're probably asking, how do I break my comfort zone? Here are 5 steps you can start today. 1. Do one scary thing daily. Send that email. Talk to that person. Join that class. Take that cold shower. Small steps create big courage. 2. Embrace failure. Remember what Michael Jordan said, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career, and that is why I succeed." 3. Surround yourself with uncomfortable people. If you're the smartest in the room, you are in the wrong room. 4. Set insane goals. Don't just aim to pass. Aim to top. Don't just aim to earn. Aim to build. 5. Remind yourself daily, comfort is death. Write it on your wall. Say it to yourself every morning. Because if you don't, one day you'll wake up old and realize you wasted your life being comfortable. My friend, listen carefully. Your comfort zone is your prison. It looks safe, it feels warm, but it is keeping you from the life you deserve. As Bruce Lee once said, do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Destroy your comfort zone. Embrace fear. Chase discomfort. Because that's where the magic happens. If you want to live a life that makes history, you cannot stay ordinary. So today, make a promise to yourself. No more small life. No more safe life. No more comfort. Arise, awake, and destroy your comfort zone. If this video lit a fire in your heart, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, this is not just motivation. This is a call to action. Because the next chapter of your life begins where your comfort zone ends.